Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are going to open up another one of these little portable cube play sets. I have to admit I'm a little bit addicted to these, so I'm very excited to open up Emma's next. I want to open them all up at once, but I can't. I have to eke it out and, save the suspense bit. We're going to get a mystery, maybe like a gold or a pink cat, because Emma's pet is a cat. So we discovered with Stephanie that you get a pet. Well, you get her pet, which is the dog, Dash. This one we're going to get her cat, Chico, but she's going to dye him some really horrifyingly unnatural colour, and it's awesome. Okay, so we've got the play cube, which has got the mystery box inside. We're not going to open that up yet. We're not going to do that. We're going to do it soon. But soon. There's definitely a pet in there though. And we've got all the things we need. We've got a surprising amount of pieces for a little play set. Lots of stickers, some that have set places to go and others that we can put wherever we want around the cube. We have got the instructions, which are very important so we know where things go. And this little pamphlet-y thing here, as I discovered last time, it tells you what sort of pet you're going to get. So it's going to be a cat in either lilac, pink, blue or gold. And it shows you all the different cubes and gives you a sneak preview of Series 2, which is going to have little pink glitter outsides. These ones have got little purple glitter outsides. Right, let's look at Emma and see how she is special for this particular set. Now, I'm reasonably certain that we've seen this bottom half before, that's no problem. She has got a flamingo top, a little kissing flamingo top, and I think my lights are a bit too bright, but she's actually got, there's like an aqua stripe across there, plus it goes all the way around to the back. I like this. Her head has got a slightly different expression. She's got her eyebrows up like she's thinking or doesn't look too worried. I think they might be her thinking or concentrating eyebrows. So each of these boxes has got an exclusive at this stage, facial expression for each of the girls. I think that is absolutely epic. That is such a great little thing. Okay, let's have a look at the cube, which is sparkly and currently empty, but so useful and full of potential. So let's put the things in it as per the instructions. We're going to put little lights back here, but no lights on the other side, apparently. So we're putting this sticker here on the background of our purple, we'll add our opaque purple side, and she's in Paris, apparently, in a little artist studio in Paris. These cubes can go anywhere after all, so obviously this one has taken her to Paris. This here is one of the pictures. We've actually seen this in the junior set, so it's a printed piece and it goes over on the wall. Is it supposed to go in the middle? No, it's supposed to go in that top little corner so that it sits perfectly in the space. So she's got that already up on her wall. She's pretty excited. I'm pretty excited. Let's see. We've got the pink pieces that we can actually plug into the cube. If you haven't seen them before, you'll see how this all works in a moment. But we get to build up a whole scene on this, and you can pull it in or out of the cube depending upon where you want to play with it. So at the moment we have got a mirror with a little paw print down the bottom, and the mirror is bit low down there for Emma. There's a brush. I think I've guessed what this is for. This is going to be so that she can groom and clip the pets, make sure they look their best before she takes photos of them. And on the top here we've got some places to put some accessories. So we've got a pink bow and a mint coloured party hat. And here is her computer for doing all the editing on it that she needs to do. And here's what she's actually looking at on the screen. We'll put this sticker on a little bit further over into the center, would be nice. There! I have no idea what's going on that screen. As long as Emma does, that's all that matters, really. Okay, so that can go over there, or we could use that as a seat. Who knows? And it gets plugged in over here. Look, see? She can sit on the seat there. It's not really, it's kind of like a little tabletop for the laptop. That's a better height. Anyway, she's going to be just the right height to use the laptop. On the other side, is actually going to be her photography studio. So we need to kit this out with all the equipment she needs to take pictures of the pets. And I'm pretty sure it's not going to be too cheap to actually hire this cube or rent this cube apartment in Paris. So she's going to have to take lots of photos to maintain her rent here. So here's her camera. She can stand here just a nice height, and there's a little pedestal for the pet to be on. Let's find out what color pet we have now. I'm excited. I really want the gold one. Oh, it's okay though. It's not a gold one, but it's one of them. And I'm happy, look, it's a lavender one, just like I got with Dash. But it's got little shiny ears and a little shiny tip on her tail. Hold on, is Chico a boy or a girl? I can't remember. So Chico is now purple. It's a very special photo shoot. I'm surprised Chico looks so happy being especially dyed for this occasion. Cats don't tend to like that sort of thing at all. We're going to plug this in over here, and we've now got this beautiful little self-contained play set which we can pack up and take with us anywhere. And it also just looks like a little apartment building too. It's cool. So let's try out this party hat, because we've got a spare one, on Chico, on Purple Chico, and she can edit the pictures while Chico tries out the party hat. Chico looks highly unimpressed with that, so let's take it off again. Now the fact this laptop's going to fall out is going to drive me bonkers, so I'm just going to sticky tack it down here so that when I shut the cube up like the, oh look, it's like Chico and Emma, they're like really close buddies there when we close it. So everything is self-contained and stays exactly where it was inside. So we can clip it up, and we can also add whatever sort of funky stickers we want to the outside. So which ones might be a good clue for the fact this is Emma's cube? Little pet over here, little kitty pet. Perfect, because there's a kitty inside. We'll put the paintbrush over here, and maybe even a patty paw, a little paw print over here. That's so cute. And on the side, I'm going to put a heart, because I did the same thing with Stephanie's cube, so I'll try and do that with all the girls if they all come with a heart. And it looks a bit lonely there by itself, so we might put a bow, a cute little Emma bow, a little kawaii bow on the top. And there we go. I think that's enough stickers for now. Let's put these two cubes side by side, and let me show you, though you probably already have figured out that we can do more than just putting these cubes as two little separate cubes. So of course you can set them up side by side, but you can also stack them, because they're Lego. Hello, they're going to interconnect, of course. And look at that, now they are a perfectly combined tiny weeny little apartment building. Isn't that adorable? I'm so looking forward to just building this up so high and seeing how far it actually goes before we make it all fall down. We might need a bit more of a substantial base. Put maybe 2 cubes down the bottom, and you can split these apart. So if you want to share them with a friend, well, I don't know that I'd be very good at sharing, but you can give one side to a friend, and then when they finish playing they have to give it back. So you can clip it back in together, or you can switch them around. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. You could put, that'd be really confusing actually. If we put half of that scene up there in Stephanie's scene, that would be really weird, but fun. Okay, I cannot wait to build the other cubes for the other girls and seeing what's inside them and which special pet I get. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you with another fun build very, very soon. So see you then. Bye.